it is important to study event management. Studying event management offers numerous benefits and advantages. Let me share with you why it is important to study event management. Professional expertise. By studying event management, you gain valuable knowledge and expertise in planning, organizing, and executing events of all scales and types. This includes understanding event logistics, budgeting, marketing, and risk management. These skills are crucial for a successful career in the industry. Industry insights. Event management programs provide insights into the industry's trends, best practices, and current market demands. This knowledge lets you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-evolving event landscape. Networking opportunities. Event management courses often facilitate networking opportunities with industry professionals, guest speakers, and fellow students. Building a strong network within the industry can open doors to internships, job opportunities, and collaborations. Practical experience. Many event management programs incorporate hands-on experience, such as organizing real events or participating in internships. This practical exposure allows you to apply the theoretical concepts you learn in class and develop essential skills employers value. Creativity and innovation. Events require creativity and innovation to stand out. Studying event management encourages you to think outside the box, develop unique event concepts, and implement innovative strategies to create memorable experiences for attendees. Problem-solving skills. Events often present unexpected challenges and require quick thinking and problem-solving abilities. Event management education equips you with critical thinking skills, resourcefulness, and the ability to make effective decisions under pressure. Versatility. Event management skills are transferable across various industries. Whether it's corporate events, weddings, sports events, festivals, or non-profit fundraisers, the ability to plan and manage events is highly sought after in a wide range of sectors. Personal growth. Studying event management provides opportunities for personal growth and development. It fosters self-confidence, leadership skills, and the ability to work effectively in teams. These qualities are essential for success in event management and various aspects of life. This gives you a clear understanding of why studying event management is so important.